So, we've asked you for a layout. So, why layout? Well, for one, it saves you a lot of time and hassle wondering what the equipment is going to look like in your facility. We do all that work for you with measurements that you provide to us. We're going to take those measurements and we're going to build you a badass layout in your specific space, showing you from a bird's eye view what the equipment looks like, the exact footprint that it's taking up, and this will show you the flow of your product and how it's going to move through the line. And we add in the different voltage, pneumatic, electric, all the different specifications for each piece of equipment, and that's all called out on a map on your final layout. You can share that with the technicians that are coming into your facility for them to run the utilities. And this gives you the ability for more agility when running utilities to your facility for ultimate flexibility. And this is very helpful because it's an actual map that they can use and know exactly where to put their drops. So this is a valuable tool not only for you understanding what the equipment's going to look like in your space, but also for installation. That way you can have input on, hey, let's look at reversing this line's orientation, or can we move this piece over to the side a couple feet? It's a very interactive solution that we're offering you. It's going to save everyone a lot of headache and time in trying to figure out stuff because it's done. Each solution that SCAFab provides is a custom solution for each customer through the work that we do in our engineering team, which is amazing. With that, you get peace of mind that you're getting the best solution in your specific space due to whatever restraints you may have or whatever benefits you may have by having the space that you do. This will save you so much money. We've looked at what it would cost engineering firms to come in and help out customers where we can't be on site to take measurements for them. And the cost of having an engineering firm come to your facility and do all the measurements for you and create a CAD drawing costs anywhere from $4,000 to $11,000 depending on the actual space of your building. We do this for free. It does take a little bit of effort on y'all's part, and you're thinking, I don't have time for that shit. I've got beer to brew, I got stuff to do, I got people to save, whatever the reason is. It doesn't have to be you. If you're the head brewer, you're the owner, it doesn't have to be you, it can be anybody. Anybody that can use a pencil, a piece of paper, and a measuring tape can take some accurate measurements, give us locations of tanks, curbs, forklift paths, any kind of obstructions. That's all we need. And again, hey, this is free. The more detailed information you can provide us, the better solution we can provide you. If we can get accurate information the first time, it's going to prevent us from having to have back and forth drawings for you to double check the measurements that were provided originally. It also creates for a smoother deployment of all this whole process. And the sooner we get this stuff done, the sooner we get to enjoy the fruits of our labor, right? The sooner you get your equipment, the easier it is to install because we have accurate information and we're not having costly mistakes rear their ugly head. The last thing we want is to have a delay in this solution for you guys to start making a shit tons of money. We eliminate possible problems with conveyors running into poles or decals being set where support pillars are. And it'll ultimately give you more time to hang out on scaffolding looking good in case somebody goes by with a camera. Well, once that's done, we have a beautiful product at the end that we can share with you, and you have it for years to come. So if you're looking at expansions in the future, or you need to make some kind of modification to your current line, and for whatever reason you don't call us, what? Then you can show it to who you're working with, and they'll have an exact idea of what your space is, where the equipment lies, and how to incorporate whatever solution they're providing to you. SCAFab wants to take your dreams and turn them into a reality for you. That's what we pride ourselves on.